colleague, we are making pizza today. So this is 6 eggs. So this is the salt inside, black pepper, vegeta, and everything egg, which is mixed here. So I'll fry it. So this is what I'm going to use for the freezer. That is the white fresh pockets. This is what I'm going to use, okay, for the pizza. So I'm using lettuce. For the paste, I will use peanuts, butter, and tomato mixed. For the paste, I put a little bit of condensed milk, okay. So this one is the pizza topper. So let's get started. Time to put on the eggs. This is my egg ready. I'm going to do my paste now with this one, with some of this and tomato, okay. So to form my paste, I used peanut butter, condensed milk, and tomato paste, okay. So this is it. Mix together. And this is the paste now. So which is a combination of peanut butter, little condensed milk, and tomato paste. But if you taste it and it's too sweet, you can just add a little pinch of butter from the lime, okay, to make it to have that, not to be too sweet. But this one, the consistency is okay. I don't need this lemon, okay. This is the hot water. So you can see the lettuce, but I'm not allowing it to be there for too long, so it doesn't make it to be too soft, okay. Adding my salt and salt. Just leave it for 1 to 3 minutes and I cut it. This is my lettuce now. I'm cutting it with my kitchen scissors. Here's my meat. Italian blend. Coriander. Optional. To lay your pizza here before we start filling it, so it will brown and start filling it up. So these are my fillers with my pizza topper, okay? And pizza, see? It's ready. Hey guys, let's do the filler. Hold this thing for me. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it first. I have to do this. The first layer. Place it first. Okay. Then after, to do the filler. Do the filler. That's the people, optional. Avocado smash. Salad crunch. Let's give him a chance. pizza paper.
How much are you selling?
No, I'm not selling. Just take your pizza.
Yummy.
Okay, another one. Yeah, hold it. You need to cut that one. Okay. So, egg. I put small, depending on if the person wants egg or not. So that is it. Do you want me to put tomato paste on top?
Yes, please, mommy.
Okay. Tomato paste. Beautiful. You like it?
Yes, thank